In this video we will see how to create the action flows. When building apps you need different actions in response to screen events, table grid actions, button actions, control actions and so on. For this you have the action flow feature in Studio. There are two types of actions: on-screen actions that run locally on the client side and server-side actions that make a network call to the remote server and requires internet connectivity. Let me take a simple example here to add product data in an inventory management system. I have a form here with the necessary controls. We will check the product type from the drop-down control, and based on that the pre-selected vendor would be shown in the paragraph control below the action button. We would then add the data to the sheet with inventory data. So now select the action button and go to Action and select Button Click. Here under the Select Action or Connector window you can see two types of tasks that are on-screen actions and the server-side actions. The on-screen actions are categorized into the following blocks: Logic, Navigate, Native, Apps, Dialogues, Control, and Utility. The server-side actions include the actions to update sheet, generate PDF, file upload, push notification, as well as the different types of connectors. Let us first add a show loader action so that the default loader would be shown till the values are checked and set. Now that I want to check the product type and decide the vendor, I will first define a variable vendor name which would be used in other tasks as well. Now I will add the branch task where I can define action based on the condition. So under Logic block, click Branch and the Continue. For this example I want to add 3 conditions. So here I will give a self-explanatory name, provide the condition as product type equal to mobiles. The product type is the value selected in the drop-down control. Similarly add for the other 2 product types as well. I want to assign the value to the vendor name variable based on the selection. So add the next action as set variable from the utility block. Select the variable as vendor name and enter the value as maybe mobile shoppy and click Continue. Remember, for each of the tasks add a self-explanatory action unique name. Follow the same for the other 2 branches. Now based on the product type selected in the drop-down control, the value for the variable will be set. Now let me set the vendor name in the paragraph control below the action button. So now from the controls block select the set control value task and click Continue. Select the paragraph control for approved vendor and add the control value using the keyword. Here I am using the vendor name variable that was set earlier as per the selection. Click Continue, add the action unique name and finish. Now I want to insert this data to the sheet. So from the server-side actions logic block add the update sheet task. We will insert the form data to the sheet that I have here, named inventory prod data. So select operation as insert record and link the controls to the sheet columns. Click Continue, add the unique name and you are done. The insert sheet action will return error or success. Now here I also want to show a message stating that data is added to the sheet and you can order the items from the respective vendor. So I will add an alert task from the dialogues block. I will select type as success and enter the title and the message. I will use the variable vendor name from the keywords to display the approved vendor. You can also use the toast to be shown in case of an error. Once done, add another task, hide loader, so that the loader disappears after completing the action. Now let us take a preview of this form. Make sure that you enable submit data. Enter the product name, select the product type, and enter quantity. Now click Action button. Note the loader appears when the insert task is in progress. Once done you can see the vendor name below. If you go to the sheet inventory prod data, you will see that the record has been added. Thus we have made use of the action flow to achieve several tasks on the click of the action button. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. For more videos visit our YouTube page.